Good morning, you guys. Here I am at the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway. Going to be going up to San Jacinto Peak. Taking the tram up the mountain, and then from there about 6 miles to San Jacinto Peak. Whoa. Felt that one. We're trekking along here. We're at 9,000 feet. Definitely a lot cooler up here. It's about 92 degrees down at the valley. Nice, crisp, cool air. We are here at Round Valley at 9,100 feet. You can camp up here. Need a permit. We're gonna continue up this direction up to San Jacinto Peak. Definitely windy up here.
It is.
Awesome views up here, guys. We're about 2 miles away from the summit. Awesome. Seeing a lot more snow, ice up here. Continuing up the mountain. About 3.5 miles in. Maybe got 1.8 miles to the top. Check out the views down there. Palm Springs. Gonna be going up that way. Got the peak straight up ahead. Some slippery ice right here. I have a 6 miles back to the tram. Making the final push. All right, you guys, check out the hut right here. People use this as a refuge. Nice. We are literally rock scrambling up here. Whoa! Whoa!
That rock wobbles.
Yeah, be careful, it's slippery right here. There's, yay! Man, this is like,
That last little bit.
that last bit is a doozy. You have to come down this way. You're like playing dominoes or Tetris, you know?
Yeah. The trail kind of just disappears.
Yeah. All right, you guys. Woohoo! Awesome, you guys. I'm gonna scramble up this rock right here. Gotta be Careful. Look at this, you guys. The views are just amazing. The video doesn't do justice. You can see the ocean straight from here.
See the ocean? Oh, yeah. There's the beach.
There's Gorgonio, San Gorgonio in the distance. You see all the windmills from Palm Springs all the way down. You gotta be careful here. All the way down to San Diego. Awesome views. We're coming down. It's a scramble. There's not a real trail, like rock scrambling. All right. Peak is right up there. Got about 5.5 miles back to the tram. Coming back down from San Jacinto Peak is an awesome hike. You can see the valley down below. It's one of the taller peaks here in Southern California. We got to get back down. We got about 4.5 miles. We only have about 2 hours of daylight, so we got to keep moving. Check out the views down below. All right, you guys, it's 5 p.m. Just about there, running out of daylight. We are less than half a mile from the ranger station. Ooh, let's go.
Hey, your longest day ever.
Yeah. All right, you guys, we're here back at the ranger station.
This is what we were saying. They did cloud.
Oh, you guys did Cactus to Cloud?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Impressive. What time did you guys start? 2 in the morning?
2 in the morning.
Oh, wow. Very nice.
In the mailbox.
Perfect.
Very nice.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Way longer than we anticipated.
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Mark.
Mark? You're on camera. I hope you don't mind. If not, I could delete. I could delete it. You know.
You're
Ted.
good. Thank
Ted,
you.
nice to meet
Yeah.
you. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. If you don't want me to, I won't put it.
Yeah. Put it on YouTube.
Yeah.
It's real. We did.
Awesome. These guys did Cactus to
you.
Cloud.
Thank you.
2 in the morning.
2 in
Yeah.
the morning.
2 in the morning, and now they're here.
It
See
lives,
you.
See you
Probably
guys.
at the tram.
Yeah. See
Good
you
luck
guys.
for the
Good
tram.
luck.
it lives up to the
Cheers,
billing.
guys.
Yeah. These guys are awesome. These guys are true warriors here. It takes a lot of stamina, a lot of preparation. So, congrats, you guys.
Thank you.
man.
I'll see you guys back at the tram.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. Awesome. Here back at the tram. It is 5:30. Over 6 hours. Started late at 11. Not gonna be hiking anymore at 11 o'clock or later in the day. I normally start my hikes at 5 in the morning, but definitely glad I'm back here. And I just gotta catch a ride on the tram back down. I'll see you guys on the next adventure.